welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lizzie and you're welcome to the family. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, most of all subscribe so that every time I upload a video you get notified. Because remember, the purpose of this channel is to help you save money, help you make money, and help your money work harder. So I don't want you to be left out. So please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends, your family, people you like, people you don't even like. Just share with everybody. Let's save money. Let's make money. Let's make our money work harder. So we're back today on the same theme, which is receipts. Now today I've got the Poundland receipt here. Poundland. And basically, got the Poundland receipt here. And basically, if you shop at Poundland, at the bottom of every receipt Poundland gives you, there's always at the bottom there's some details here in terms of winning a cash prize. And so there's a website link, and the cash prize is £100 Poundland vouchers. And all you have to do is fill out the form, the survey, and you just tell them about your experience. So this one, it says there's one winner per month, and the last winner will be for the month of June, because the closing date is the 30th of June 2022. So let's have a quick look at what does this website look like, and yeah, let's just see. Okay, so all I've done is gone to the page based on the receipt, and then it's taken me to this page here. And so now on this page here, if I scroll down, it asks for a few details such as my receipt number, which will be on my receipt. It will say my receipt number, which is usually at the bottom of your receipt. Here, just at the bottom of the receipt, and it's here at the bottom of the receipt, and also it does say here your transaction number is at the bottom of your receipt. So if we scroll down, sorry, my laptop's a little bit slow. It shows you exactly where the bottom of the receipt is and what the receipt number is. So you put that in, you would click next, answer some questions about your experience, and then you click submit, and you've answered the survey, and you are entered into a draw to win £100 per month for the following month. So if I scroll down on this website, it says here it's £100 vouchers for Poundland prize that you would win. It says it here. It also says you need to be over the age of 18, and it says that there's 5 prizes, 7. It says 7. So it says here that the amount of people that can win. So here it says the amount of people that can win when the draw started, which was the 1st of Feb, and it will close the 30th of June. And so it's like every month, monthly. So February, March, April, May, June, there will be one winner selected by automatic community generation. Okay, so it says here there'll be one winner every single month for February, March, April, May, and June. And so yeah, that's it. This is the Poundland receipt. It's quite simple, I think, to kind of follow. And yeah, so next time you go to Poundland, remember to take your receipt, and remember, the bottom of your receipt there's a voucher link, and do enter it because it's free money, or free voucher should I say, and it's for you to benefit, and maybe your family or your friends. So yeah, next time you go to Poundland, don't forget to take your receipt with you. That's it for today's channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless and goodbye for now. Thank you.